Here's a certified 2015 Ram 1500. Ram trucks are consistently recognized and awarded as some of the best. This 1500 continues that tradition. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V8 engine, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive with traction control, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.